friends, welcome back to Rachel Reviews. That was a loud clap. I've been becoming a clapper. That sounds bad. I don't know. Anyway, welcome back to Rachel Reviews. If this is your first time here, welcome. I do Stitch Fix videos, mainly Stitch Fix. I've been venturing into other things, but I just really like these Stitch Fix boxes. I get the Ipsy boxes too, but I haven't done like a review on them lately. So anyway, we have a Stitch Fix today. You guys, she sent me some shoes. So we'll take a peek at those, and then here is a lovely bundle. Look at, got some purple there, some black and white stripes, some other black. Looks like a gray sweater. And then it's dark gray on the other side. See that? So let's read. There's a lot of crinkling going on. Let's read. I'm feeling better since last video, if you can't tell. Last video, I was down and out. I was sick for like 2 weeks, had a cough, couldn't sleep at night. It was horrible. Still got a little sniffle though. Let's read my note. Happy Fix Day, Rachel. And welcome to your 30th fix. Can you believe 2020 is already upon us? This year flew by. I can't wait for a fresh start and to start setting my goals and resolutions. I think this year will be all about setting and sticking to a morning routine. That's actually a really good one. You can do it. Do you have any goals or resolutions you're hoping to achieve this year? Yeah, I want to lose some weight, but don't we all? I also can't wait to ring in the new year with my friends in Pittsburgh. Oh, that'll be fun. I've never been to Pittsburgh or Pennsylvania or anything. What plans do you have? We are doing, that's my dog. If you can't see, yeah, she wants my drink. There you go. Anyway, fix the tree. We'll see how long that lasts. She's on the bed over there. Let me fix this a little bit too. Anyway, New Year's Eve plans. We are going to our friend's house, and we are doing a Taste for Wine and Murder mystery party. We all are like assigned characters and stuff, and I am Marilyn Merlot, and my husband is playing Papa Vito. So we'll see how that goes. It should be fun. We get to dress up and stuff. Anyways, I was super excited to snag the 2 beacon tops in this fix for you. I know both of these have a similar vibe, but I think you'll adore the purple v-neck top the most. This will be a gorgeous color on you and great for work or weekend wear. Pair with jeans, booties, and curl your hair pretty, like you always do, and you'll rock this. I also threw in a pair of booties for you. Happy New Year, XO, Allie. Happy New Year, Allie. Alright, let's open those booties first. So these are by Report Footwear. Yanira heeled buckled bootie in olive. So I have some olive buckled booties already, but we'll see. We'll see what these are like. Ooh, so yeah, that's really pretty. Sorry as I don't show you. Check those out. Those are pretty. Now I do have some very similar. Very similar. I should go grab them actually and show you. Okay. These are the ones Allie just sent, which they are cuter than the ones I have now. And these are the ones I have now. So, pretty similar. Different colored heel. This one's a little bit taller. This one's obviously a little bit shorter. But, same color basically. Yeah, so that's a little bit taller. So I probably won't try these on just because I already have some. I can't justify having 2 green pairs. But they're very cute. I think I already read the name of it, so I'm going to put that aside. Put that aside somewhere. I'll try on my stuff with the ones I already have. That way we can kind of envision it together. And here's the loved bundle. The love bundle. Tear open that. Comes my dog again. Alright, so this is one of the beacon tops. The Rachana, for Rachel, deep V knit top in purple. So that's pretty. It's purple and it has the white dots through it. I do have one from Beacon already that is black and polka dot just like this, but it has the roll tab sleeve. And this one doesn't, so, and that's cute. This V might be a little bit deeper too than my other one. But yeah, that's really pretty. You can see little polka dots there. This is the other beacon one. That's pretty with the sleeves. With the tie in the front. Like up top, not down in the bottom. Kind of like a wider, flutterier sleeve there. Let's see. Rahima necktie knit top in black. So it's kind of like got beige instead of white, I think. Would you guys agree? That's beige going through it. So that's cute too. Yeah, those would be both perfect for my work. So this one, Market and Spruce, Jeana striped elbow patch cardigan in black. There goes my dog. So it kind of has like a waterfall front and cute little elbow patches on the sleeves there. I think she's done barking. Nope, she's still going. So that's cute too. I like the black and white stripe. It's really heavy, so that's good. That means it's... There goes my dog. I think she's done barking. Time will tell. And the last one is Mason & Belle Ricky Colorblock Pullover in mustard. So that's cute. It kind of has like a mock neck. It's really stretchy though. So this isn't an extra large because I did size up. So I might need a large in this. We'll see how it fits. Have the light come back. But yeah, that's cute. It's got the cream and then the light gray mustard and then the dark gray on the bottom. And then the sleeves, kind of like a wide sleeve there. I've been liking the balloon ones where it's like tighter here and then bigger there. But yeah, we'll try everything on except for the shoes. I'm going to try on my own green shoes. But here we go. So here we have the first top. This is one of the beacons in that purple with the polka dots. It has the deep V. I really like this. It has like, as my voice goes for some weird reason, it has some pleating right here so it doesn't like pull there. And I tucked it into my jeans. You can see that well. But otherwise it has kind of like a rounded hem. I didn't put my shoes on because you can't see my shoes anyway. Imagine. So yeah, I think that's cute. I do like this. I would wear this to work because I usually wear like black work pants, so I think the purple would be pretty. I would pull it up a little bit like that for work though. But yeah, that's cute. 3/4 length sleeves. You don't go all the way down. This would be cute with that cardigan on too. Maybe I'll try the cardigan on over this next. One thing I just noticed on this purple one though, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it does have a seam running down the front from like where this goes over, and then there's a seam. So I don't know how I feel about that. On a shirt like this, like I don't see why that's necessary to have a seam going all the way down. My other one doesn't have one like that, and it has kind of that same structure. So, it's not make or break, but maybe it is. I don't know. Here it is with the cardigan over it. This is really cute. I like this cardigan, Market and Spruce, so I know it's going to be expensive. And I know I can't keep everything because I want the discount and I don't want those green shoes and I don't want the hassle of selling them. But anyway, back to the cardigan. This is really cute. Has the elbow patches there. My elbow actually does go in the patch. I know someone commented last time on the other elbow patch shirt that it didn't go with my elbows, but my elbows are right there, so that's good on this one. Thanks for that, because I wouldn't have even thought about that. But yeah, and it has kind of like that waterfall front you can fold over or just kind of let it hang. That's cute. Good length. Covers the bum. This is cute, which means it's expensive. Here is the other Beacon top. I actually really like this one. I like this one better than the purple. If this came in a purple, I would love it even more, or like another color, because I do have a lot of black tops, and like I said, I wear a lot of black pants for work. But this is super cute. I love the sleeves. I love this little tie keyhole here. Not too much showing. Has a good length. It's just kind of straight across through the bottom there. I think that's really cute. There's a mirror here. Yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like this one over the purple one? I do. We have one more top to try on. And it's really comfy too. It's a nice material. I don't know what material it is, but let's find out together. 96% polyester, 4% spandex. Hence the stretch. Woot woot. Anywho, let's try on the last one. Here is the last one. This is one of the sweaters. Was this the Mason and Belle? Yeah. So I do like this neckline, but I think in the white it might make me look like a marshmallow a little bit. I don't know. I did just wear an all-white sweater for Christmas, and I did notice this before too. It has this cute little detailing right here, just kind of like little holes. I don't know if it goes in the back too, but that's really cute. Kind of like brings the eye down instead of just this like expanse here. I don't know. But the sleeves, I think, is what's gonna bug me about this. I don't mind where the color blocking lays with my chest and everything, but pardon me, but the sleeves, I think, are just too wide and they get in the way. I think that's why I've been liking the balloon sleeves lately. So far, I like the cardigan. I like that black one. Not keeping the shoes already, we know that. I don't think this either, but let's go over prices. So, we're going to go over prices, and I just realized I had this NyQuil bottle right here the whole time, so a little I Spy there for you from when I was sick last week and sleeping in here because I was coughing so much. Anywho, we're going to go over prices. Let's see. I need a drink. Oh my gosh, caffeine. I just got this new blender, so I blended up a coffee drink this morning. Anywho, Mason and Belle. Let me scooch up. I feel like I'm like too far away. Mason and Belle. The Ricky Colorblock pullover in mustard is $46. So it was a really soft sweater. It was acrylic, nylon, and spandex. I looked at the not ingredients, the material. I don't know. It was really, really soft, and it was really cute. I think if the sleeves were different, I would have kept it. The Report Footwear in olive, size 7, are $70. $70 for shoes. Now, I've never paid $70 for shoes. I think the most I've paid for shoes is probably like $50. So, that's another thing I just don't spend a lot on because I have a lot of shoes. So, like, it's not like I'm wearing them every day. I like to switch them out, so I feel like I'm at a weird angle too, you guys. I'm sorry. Technical difficulties. Beacon, Rachana, deep V-neck top in purple, $40. So that's a good, I think that's a fine price for a work top like that. Beacon, Rahima necktie knit top in black, $38. So that's the one I liked the most, I think, out of the box besides the cardigan. So that's cool. It's the cheapest thing so far. And then the Market and Spruce Jeana striped elbow patch in black, $64 for a cardigan. If I were keeping everything, like, I liked things about everything in the box. So good on ya, Allie. But Alright, so Stylist Pick subtotal $258, buy all discount, $64.50 off that. So it'd be $193.50 for the whole box. My in-laws got me a Stitch Fix gift card for Christmas, so I have some credit on there. And then one of you guys signed up too with my link referral down below. She got $25 towards her first box. Let me know if you're watching this. I can't look up your name right now. I think it's Julie N maybe, because my internet's down for whatever reason. It's raining outside. It's Sunday. Doesn't need a reason to go out. So thank you for using my referral. So I have $25 credit from that as well. So I have $125 credit right now from my gift card and from that referral. So if I kept the whole box, it would be $68.50 after I use that. So I'm not keeping the whole box. I think I'm just going to get that black top with the tie there, because that was really cute. I don't have any shirts like that with the tie keyhole. So yeah, so that's $38. So that'll go off of my credit there. Yeah, so that's my box. Yay! New year, new year. Big dreams, big hair is what my new motto is. I'm a dork. You guys know that. So I hope you guys have a great New Year's. I'm going to label this one as my first January fix, because January is like 3 days away. So yeah, yay! Happy New Year, you guys. I hope you have a safe and happy one. Let me know what your guys' plans are, what you liked from this box. If there's anything like theme-wise you want me to do for my next box, let me know down below. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, use my referral link if you'd like $25 towards your first box. More in the description below about Stitch Fix too. And like and subscribe if you haven't already. You guys have a great day. I'll see you next time.